welcome back to viabri. As promised in my previous video, I got a DYSON Air Wrap for Christmas and I'm going to be unboxing it right now, and then later on I'll show you guys how I use it. So let's get started. Here's the box. It's really heavy. It's a DYSON Air Wrap complete long. I'll show you guys the box. It comes with all these features and the case. Let's get to opening. I'm doing this standing up so it's a little bit awkward. It's like a leather case, which I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting a metal case. I love this tan color, and it also says DYSON here. I'm gonna open this now and see what's inside. Oh, it has a little magnetic. You open it, there's this flap. Wow. There's a little foam. And these are all the attachments. And I'll take them out one by one. I think this is the main thing you hold and you add the attachments to. Another box. So these four came in that previous box. I realized that on the box it says all the names, so I'll just quickly read them out as I unbox them. So this one is the 30mm Air Wrap long barrels, and then over here I have the 40mm Air Wrap long barrels, and then this one is the round volumizing brush. This is the pre-styling dryer, and lastly we have the firm smoothing brush and the soft smoothing brush. So I'm going to go figure out how to use all these attachments, and I'll be back. My hair right now is very straight and damp because the DYSON is a wet to dry or damp to dry hairstyler. First thing I'm going to do is just use a regular brush and brush out all the tangles. I'm going to use the soft smoothing brush just to brush out everything. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and start sectioning my hair. So there are two barrels. This is a forward barrel and a backwards barrel. Basically, I'm going to section my hair like this, starting from the bottom. Depending on how much hair you have, you might need 3 or 4 sections. And then I'm going to alternate the barrels for each section. And then ultimately, when you get to the last layer, it has to curl towards the back. This is how the front section looks after I curled it. Now I'm going to move on to the next part. These are how the two curl looks. I'm going to finish the head. I'm not going to comb them out yet. Here's the progress. I finished curling this side, but I haven't done this side yet. You can tell it's much more volumized, and you can see. Now I'm going to switch the barrels and move on to the other side. So we'll press unlock, take this out, put the other one in. To the other side, I'm just going to quickly comb through the curls with my fingers lightly. And this is the final look. I'm really happy with the DYSON, and I'm really thankful I got it as a gift. I would definitely recommend all of you guys to go check it out. I'll link down in the description.
I was feeling a bit hungry, so I had this great idea to make these chocolate covered strawberries for a snack. So first I just washed the strawberries. Then I took this milk and dark chocolate and put even amounts of both, and then put it in the microwave for a minute. After a minute, it looks about the same, but you have to mix it up for it to start melting. I put it in for another 30 seconds while I prepared the pan and the parchment paper. This is how it looks after another 30 seconds, and then I started to get the strawberries and dip them. I repeated the process until I ran out of strawberries or chocolate. I put them in the fridge to harden for about half an hour, and this is how it looks when it came out. You can see the chocolate has hardened, and maybe next time I could put some designs on the chocolate or try new colors. This video is in collaboration with Yesstyle, so I'll be showing you guys a few outfits with the pieces they sent me. So the top is from Magma. It is a set with a plaid shirt and a shirt camisole in black and white. The pants are from Brick Black. It is a contrast stitch cargo jeans in black. The shirt you can wear tucked in or tied at the back, or you could take it off and tie it around your waist, or tie around your shoulder and waist. On the side, I'll add a few pictures of how it looks on the website, and then you can see how it looks on me. The next item I paired with the same pants. It is from viabri. It is a square neck puff sleeve blouse in black. You can either keep this as a square neckline or pull the sleeves down. I also paired this blouse with a mini skirt from Horace. It is in the color khaki. I love it because it has shorts underneath. The skirt actually belongs to this set from Horace. It is the Bear embroidery polo shirt plus mini skirt, and it's in khaki. I love how there's a zipper on both items on the side. From Arobria, this is the floral print off-shoulder crop top with the same skirt.
A bunch of you have been asking me for what makeup I use, so even though I've done previous videos on these, I'll just give you a complete list of everything I'm wearing right now, and you can find any of these products in the description. So let's get started. First is this Rovectin Clean Lotus Water Cream. I'm going to use my Heimish Artlist Glow Base with SPF 50+. This is the Moonshot Micro Glassy Fit Cushion 301. It comes with a cushion and a mirror. For powder, I use this peach powder from Skin Food. The puff is super soft and I love it so much. This is the Peri Para Pure Blush Sunshine Cheek and number 2 Milk Tea Coral. And on my eyes, I'm wearing these two. This is the Heimish Glitter Eyeshadow Palette in Coral Berry, and this is the Romand Better Than Palette. It's 00 Light and Glitter Garden. If you guys find these helpful, and let me know if you guys have any other questions. Thank you guys for staying all the way until the end. I hope you love this vlog, and let me know if you want to see any other videos in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!